Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed last week's vlog. It was very fun to go on a coffee crawl in Minneapolis with my friend Sharon. We had such a great time. Now until the end of the year, we have very busy weekends, which is fun. Today though, I worked this morning. Wesley's having some avocado. Alex went to work. We have one car in the shop right now. The windshield had a giant crack all the way through the front of it, so we're getting that replaced. So we will get the car tomorrow. This is like one of my least favorite things, but what you gonna do? I'm making a spinach smoothie. This is a classic that I feel like I've talked about here on the vlog before and I've shared with you guys, but it's been a while. So I'm trying to get back into the grind of having a green juice every day. And then we're gonna make these delicious gluten-free monster cookies because Alex is like, we haven't had any baking in like a week. Don't you worry, babe. I've got you covered. Do you want some more avocado? Here you go. Big chunk of peanut butter. Okay, so I've been trying to teach Wesley how to use his Tiny Cup. This is Tiny Cup. It's the brand Easy Peasy, and it's just called Tiny Cup. And so he's been doing actually very well with it. Your bib is not on. Let's put your bib on. Okay, ready with the bib. And he usually just pours it all over himself like that. But he's getting better at it, like he's actually getting some water. Are you drinking water? Good job! You did it! I'm so proud of you! And there it goes. I use this blender all the time. It is so nice. Don't I? Wesley just learned how to crawl yesterday, and so he is scooting. It's actually really cute. Where you going? Oh my gosh. Okay. So they're gonna fall apart as soon as we take them out. Awesome. Putting all of our Christmas cards together, but they're so cute. I'm really happy with them. And you guys, the secret is I ordered them from Walmart this year, and I normally order them from like Vistaprint or Snapfish or Shutterfly, but oh my gosh, to get this many cards, I got 60 cards, which I should have got 100 cards. Oh, I just wrote on my leggings. I never get enough. Every year I run out of cards, but this is super great quality. It has the curved edges and it's cute. It was super easy to order. I got all of my cards for like around 49 cents a card. So I think that is a steal considering most of the websites you have to pay like $1.19 per card. I'm like, no thank you, bye. I'm gonna not spend that much money. This is one of my absolute favorite things about Christmas. And I grew up doing this. Like, my mom did not miss a year of sending out a Christmas card. No matter how expensive they are, she would always send one out. Because I think she knows how important it is to receive them from other people. Like, if there's someone that you don't talk to in years, but you still get a Christmas card from them, like, that's pretty cool, honestly. And that's how it was for us growing up. Like, there were a lot of people that we would get cards from and we knew, but us kids had never met them. But we're like, oh, we get their Christmas card every single year. So we thought that was really cool. So the next day, you guys, and Alex and I took turns this morning showering and getting ready so that one of us could be with Wesley. And so I'm ready, so now Alex is getting ready, and we have a lot planned for today. It was my sister's 30th birthday yesterday, Katie. And we love her. Of course, we love our sisters. And so today we're going to celebrate her. Yeah. So we're going to go do that, and it's going to be a really fun day. It's going to be a long day, though. Because before we go to lunch, we are trying to knock out the rest of our Christmas shopping. So we're going to the mall, and we're going also to get some good coffee this morning since we're going to be gone all day and stuff. Aren't we? And Wesley had strawberries for breakfast, and he took his own bib off. He learned how to do that. I'm like, look back at it, and he's like holding his bib. Aren't you a big boy? So cute. He had a bath last night, so his hair is like so cute and clean. We are actually really, really short on time, so we're gonna skip going to get good coffee. And we're just gonna get coffee here in town really quick. And probably we'll have to do most of our Christmas shopping another day, but we're gonna attempt. Oh my gosh, it was so cute. I went into our local coffee shop, and there's like 10 elderly women all sitting in circles, drinking their coffee and visiting and laughing, and they all have like old lady hair, and they're so cute. Like, oh my gosh, this is adorable. This lipstick makes me look like I have lip injections. So we have our little small town coffee. I did my nails because it takes that long to drive into town.
Got our windshield fixed today.
Oh yeah, we got our windshield fixed. It had this massive crack all the way through the middle of it, and it was kind of scary to drive.
There's Valley Fair.
And there's Valley Fair way out there. It's actually a pretty drive, and today it's supposed to be a major snowstorm. Like, school was canceled, and everyone's like nervous about all these 15 inches of snow we're gonna get.
So far, nothing.
Where's the snow? I don't see any. So we're continuing our day as scheduled. All right, we're waiting for the birthday girl to get here. Birthday to you. You're 30, we love you.
Okay, so we're gonna have a trivia game, and it has to do with the 1990s because we're celebrating 30 today from 1991. So, are you guys ready for your questions?
Thanks.
All right, thank you so much.
Okay, what's number one?
First question: who was the president when Katie was born?
Oh wait, are these not going to be pop culture? This is going to be like history.
It's all over the board.
It's a double.
It's a city income. So it's only one person. Not a
You say it again.
Oh my gosh. Some guy somewhere in the world, very hot, made 365 different emails so he can make different Starbucks accounts so he can get a free birthday drink every day of the year. What is the male equivalent to a Karen? Oh, Randy. Oh, it's Randy. Kevin. Or is it Ashton Kutcher?
I'm pretty sure it's more like a Randy because, like, what's an old person name that would kind of get feisty? Not Kevin.
Yes, that was all there.
No. There was two on one. It must have flipped. Yeah. Okay.
The Titanic. Try not to laugh. Okay. At your party trick?
Okay, Emma, fit check. Cute jeans, Air Force Ones, belt, mock neck, and jacket. Oh, and the fanny bag, belt bag, and the cute clip.
Starbucks colors.
Yeah, Katie, what is your guess that we're doing today?
We're driving on the what we're doing today?
Well, what's our next stop?
I think we're going to a hotel at some point.
Do you think we're gonna go swimming?
Right now, Katie.
What do you think we're doing right now?
Right now we're following the school bus and we're going.
I know, but think. What do you?
I don't know what's around here. Like I don't remember.
Faster.
K-A-T-Y. And are you Hannah?
So we're looking for a famous landmark. Be fun. Just stay home. Do it in your jammies. All right.
It's so much fun.
The game show was super fun. We played. All of the games were changed because of copyright issues and legal issues, or just legal stuff.
Called different things, not you.
Yeah. So it was like something else, but it was Family Feud, Wheel of Fortune, Price is Right, and
Whatever the guessing the little things in.
Price is Right. So two of them were Price is Right because Plinkton's also. Yeah, so it was very fun. Our team won, and my team name was Judy.
We were the Kardashians. We had Courtney, Chris, Chloe, Rob, and me, Scott Disick.
Now we are off to the last portion of this birthday party, and there's still a snowstorm happening, so we're hoping that we can get home tonight because I have to work in the morning. It's pretty bad.
Jets is
Okay.
So it is midnight and we just got home, and this is the biggest blizzard that we have had yet moving back. And driving home took us like an extra hour basically, and now Alex is trying to shovel out a space to park the car because the drifts are just massive, like almost up to my knees as I was carrying Wesley into the house because our car got stuck in the middle of the parking lot. And of course we live in an apartment and we don't have a garage, so literally our car is like stuck in the middle of the parking lot, and Alex is digging it out right now and digging a path with a shovel so that he can park the car and that it won't be in the way when the plows come. You guys, I have the best husband in the world. Alex is so awesome. He's just such an amazing person. Okay. I forgot to take a picture of the situation before I left the house, but this is all the snow that we're dealing with, and it's kind of crazy. I just got back from work. I only had 4 clients this morning, so it was pretty quick. Now I'm just here chilling because Alex is at a basketball game for his brother and he took Wesley with him, and this is a very rare moment that I have the next 4 hours to myself. And so I'm gonna take my devotional and go to the local coffee shop. I know that I need time with Jesus and I can feel it. Like I feel like, okay, Lord Jesus, please, I need some time with you. So I'm super excited for that. I have this Advent devotional that I got from the Grace Co. Shout out the Grace Co. They're awesome. All of their devotionals are like very aesthetically pleasing, really cute, beautiful devotional. So this is the Advent one. And I just got done eating a bowl of chili. That's why I'm like sniffling because it was so spicy. But yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy the next couple hours by myself and just get some good Jesus time. Tonight we have a holiday party to go to and I'm so excited because it's like a fancy holiday party. So I'm gonna wear a cute little dress, get all dressed up for it and stuff. So I'll definitely show you guys my OOTD and my fit check tonight for the Christmas party because that will be super cute. Right now my fit check is, let's see. Okay, my fit check is my Kitsona Ufta sweatshirt. It's like a very like thick crew neck type without being very thick. And then I'm actually wearing, you guys, I'm wearing skinny jeans for the first time in a long time today. This is a very rare occurrence, but I'm wearing my black skinnies and socks. This is actually my California coat because even though we have like a whole 1.5 feet of snow outside, it's not that cold. So, fit check. Hi. Okay, you guys, here is my fit check. This is my sister's dress she's graciously letting me borrow. And it is so fun. All right, here's our fit check. You can't really see because of our jackets.
We're in our puffer coats.
But we look good, you guys. Alex is wearing his wedding shirt from our wedding. I have this fab dress on. We look good. All right, I'm gonna end the vlog here this week, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.